To use this video for an effective practice, follow these pointers. First, read the instructions carefully, then observe the text for the time mentioned in the instructions. Start reading aloud as soon as the recording status appears on the screen and there is a beep sound. After the recording time is over, listen to the sample answer to get a better idea about right pronunciation, fluency, and way of reading the text aloud. Then move on to the next question and practice all other questions in the same way. Now let's begin. As per the instructions, you have 40 seconds to observe the text. Now you have 40 seconds to read aloud, but start speaking within 3 seconds, which is a PTE exam rule. Start reading aloud now. Now listen to the sample answer. Defining music seems to be a difficult job. A number of explanations regard music as organized sound, but this is perhaps too broad a definition, as there are examples of organized sounds that are not defined as music, such as human speech and sounds found in both natural and industrial environments. The problem of defining music is further complicated by the influence of culture in music cognition. Now listen to the sample answer. If the effects of carbon dioxide are at the low end of the range or even below it, then climate change will be affected less by emissions and the planet will warm more slowly. If the Earth's climate is more highly sensitive to carbon dioxide levels, then the expected results are not only more imminent but also more catastrophic. Let's listen to the sample answer. Universe is the whole cosmic system of matter and energy of which Earth and therefore the human race is a part. Humanity has traveled a long road since societies imagined Earth, the Sun, and the Moon as the main objects of creation, with the rest of the universe being formed almost as an afterthought. Listen to the sample answer now. For thousands of years, our species has studied the night sky and wondered if anything else is out there. Last year, we celebrated the 400th anniversary of Galileo's answer. Yes, Galileo trained a new instrument, the telescope, on the heavens and saw objects that no other person had ever seen. Hundreds of stars, mountains on the moon, satellites of Jupiter. Let's see the sample answer. According to Mark Brackett, founder of Yale University's Center for Emotional Intelligence and author of the new book Permission to Feel, repressing emotions is a terrible mistake. The emotions are important clues to how people are experiencing the world, helping them to make decisions, build good relationships, fulfill our dreams, and cultivate well being. Now listen to the sample answer for this. Fashion is a term which means an ongoing trend. It refers to how people dress and what kind of external get-up most people think is making them look stylish, up-to-date and sophisticated. While etiquette and manner also somehow come into the count, but it is comparatively more superficial and dynamic. It changes with winds of time very fast. Thank you for watching the video. Hope the practice was useful for you. For more such videos, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.